together in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep. Familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that really mean?
A well designed above ground pool can become the centerpiece of a beautiful and functional backyard.
What you really got up your sleeve, huh? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know
A pergola adds shade and creates a comfortable destination beside the pool.
your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve.
A clean lined deck gives an above ground pool a more contemporary and intentional appearance.
Seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the one or the two or the three or the five.
Natural wood and stone can give a simple above ground pool a warm, rustic character.
Read between lines. I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really
An outdoor shower adds practical convenience while keeping the main house cleaner after swimming.
really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve. Lines between the lines, between the lines.
Tropical inspired planting can make an above ground pool feel like a private backyard resort.
Lines between the lines, between the lines. Somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe
A nearby fire pit adds another destination for relaxing when the evening becomes cooler.
I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little
Smaller backyards can still have stylish pools when the layout and furniture remain proportional.
something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve.
Natural stone around the pool add texture and helps blend the structure into its landscape.
Behind that silky little sleeve. What you got to hide?
A built-in bench provides practical seating without taking up as much space as separate furniture. A large umbrella offers flexible shade and can make sunny afternoons beside the pool much more comfortable.
An oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep. Familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, huh? I don't.
A wrap around deck can dramatically improve circulation while giving the pool a built-in architectural appearance.
Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky.
A small cabana creates a shaded retreat and gives the backyard a polished resort-like atmosphere.
I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the one. Or
At night, layered lighting can completely change the mood and make the pool area feel inviting.
read between lines. I was born at night, not last night. I can't.
A planted border softens hard pool edges and creates a more natural transition into the garden.
You really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve.
Comfortable chaise lounges create a dedicated spot for sunbathing, reading, or relaxing beside the water.
Between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't bother time no more time. Lines between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe.
A family friendly pool should combine easy access, organized storage, comfortable seating, and appropriate safety features.
When you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve.
Dedicated storage keeps towels, floats, and pool accessories organized and the surrounding space clutter free.
Silky little sleeve.
You can dramatically improve a pool area without a major renovation by focusing on decking, plants, lighting, and furniture.
What you got to hide? Silky little sleeve.
With coordinated materials and landscaping, an above ground pool can achieve a surprisingly luxurious appearance.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain.
The best pool designs connect the deck, garden, patio, and lawn into one cohesive outdoor environment.
Behind your pretty teeth, say you need space to breathe. But what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve.
A successful pool design balances beauty, comfort, landscaping, privacy, lighting, and everyday functionality.
Silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the one or the two or the three or the five. Okay, you need space, go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find, act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines, I was born at night.